Welcome to SL Geek. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Arduino, a versatile platform that's revolutionizing electronics and DIY projects. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. It's perfect for beginners and advanced makers alike, allowing you to bring your ideas to life with minimal effort. In just 5 minutes, we'll cover the basics of Arduino. We'll explore the main components of an Arduino board, how to write and upload code using the Arduino IDE, and a simple hands-on project to get you started. Arduino boards consist of a microcontroller, digital and analog pins, and power connectors. The Arduino IDE, a user-friendly software tool, lets you write and upload code to the board, turning your ideas into reality. Now, let's dive into our hands-on project, creating a blinking LED. Here's what you'll need. Arduino board, such as Arduino Uno. Breadboard. LED. Resistor, 220 ohms. Jumper wires. Step 1, connect the components. Place the Arduino board on the breadboard. Insert the LED into the breadboard, with the longer leg, anode, connected to digital pin 13 on the Arduino board. Connect one end of the resistor to the shorter leg, cathode, of the LED. Connect the other end of the resistor to the ground, GND, pin on the Arduino board. Ensure all connections are secure. Step 2, write the code. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer. You can get the code in the video description. This code sets pin 13 as an output and alternates between turning the LED on and off with a 1-second delay. Step 3, upload the code. Connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE. Click the Upload button to upload the code to the Arduino board. Step 4, test the project. Once the code is uploaded, you should see the LED on your breadboard blinking on and off at 1-second intervals. And that's it. You've successfully created a blinking LED project with Arduino. Feel free to experiment with different LED colors, blinking patterns, and delays to customize your project. And that's a wrap for our Arduino introduction. I hope you now have a better understanding of what Arduino is and how it can be used in your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and coding content. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering.